From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of living in a space that feels like an echo chamber? I've got the solution for you, and it's the black and white swirl area rug by Quarit. This king-size area rug is not only a stunning addition to any room, but it's also a game changer when it comes to noise cancellation. The thick, soft flannel fabric and sponge middle layer absorbs sound, making your space feel cozier and more intimate. Plus, the non-slip TPR latex backing keeps the rug in place, so you don't have to worry about it slipping or sliding around. One of the things that really sets this rug apart is its durability. It's made with high-quality materials and features a fully stitched hem, so you don't have to worry about it fraying or falling apart. And with its advanced printing technology, the beautiful black and white swirl pattern will stay vibrant and clear, without fading or losing its shape. This rug is also incredibly easy to clean, you can hand or machine wash it, and it's perfect for homes with kids or pets. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a popular choice for anyone looking to add some style and functionality to their space. Whether you're looking to enhance your living room, bedroom, or office, this rug is a great choice. It's easy to set up, and it comes in a variety of sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your space. With its unique design and impressive features, it's no wonder this rug is a favorite among homeowners. So why not give it a try, and see the difference it can make in your space? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.